If you're tired of expensive salon trips or simply want to try coloring your hair at home, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll review the top 5 home hair color products, so you can find the perfect shade and formula for your hair. Whether you're after long-lasting color, easy application, or nourishing ingredients, we've got you covered. Stay tuned to discover the best home hair color options to help you get the gorgeous, salon-quality look you desire, all in the comfort of your own home. Kicking off our list at number 1, Phyto Phytocolor. The Phyto Phytocolor is a premium, plant-based hair color system designed to provide long-lasting color while nourishing and protecting the hair. Known for its gentle formula, this product is formulated with natural ingredients like chamomile and aloe vera, making it ideal for those with sensitive scalps. Phyto Phytocolor is a favorite among those who want a professional-grade result with minimal damage to their hair. It's a great option if you're seeking vibrant, rich color without compromising the health of your hair. Key features: Phyto Phytocolor boasts a unique blend of plant-based ingredients that are not only good for your hair but also provide vibrant, natural-looking color. It's ammonia-free, which means it's gentler on your hair and scalp. Additionally, the formula includes chamomile and aloe vera, which help to soothe and nourish the scalp while providing hydration to the hair. It's available in a variety of shades to suit different hair types and colors, making it a versatile choice for many people. Benefits and usage: Phyto Phytocolor offers a great balance of color intensity and hair protection. It provides full gray coverage while maintaining your hair's natural shine. The nourishing ingredients ensure that your hair feels soft and hydrated even after coloring. To use, apply the color to your hair, following the included instructions. The application process is easy, and the results are impressive, with vibrant, rich color that lasts. This product is suitable for all hair types, including those with sensitive skin or scalp issues. Usability: the Phyto Phytocolor is easy to apply thanks to its well-designed packaging and clear instructions. The formula is thick and creamy, making it easier to spread through your hair without it dripping or running. The color is designed to be long-lasting, providing up to 6 weeks of vibrant color with minimal touch-ups required. While the product itself is easy to work with, it's important to follow the instructions carefully to ensure the best results. Durability: this hair color offers impressive durability, with many users reporting that the color lasts longer than other drugstore options. It resists fading and keeps your hair vibrant for weeks. The gentle ingredients prevent the hair from becoming overly dry or damaged, which is common with harsher formulas. With regular use, you'll find that the color maintains its intensity, and your hair stays soft and healthy, making Phyto Phytocolor a great investment for long-term use. In the second spot, we have Revlon ColorSilk. Revlon ColorSilk is a well-known, budget-friendly hair dye that promises a salon-quality result without the hefty price tag. Formulated with silk amino acids, this color treatment is designed to nourish and protect hair while providing vibrant, lasting color. It's available in a wide range of shades, from natural browns to bold reds, making it a versatile option for those looking to experiment with color. Revlon ColorSilk is perfect for individuals who want easy, effective color with a smooth finish. Key features: Revlon ColorSilk's most notable feature is its silk amino complex, which provides deep nourishment and protects hair during the coloring process. The formula is ammonia-free, making it gentler on the hair and scalp compared to traditional dyes. This color kit includes a color cream, developer, and an after-color conditioner that helps restore moisture and shine. The result is a smooth, shiny finish with rich color that lasts. It's available in over 30 shades, making it accessible to a wide range of hair types and preferences. Benefits and usage: Revlon ColorSilk provides full coverage, making it perfect for covering grays or enhancing your natural color. It delivers a vibrant, shiny finish, leaving your hair looking healthy and moisturized. The included after-color conditioner helps lock in moisture and shine, which is crucial for keeping your hair soft and hydrated after coloring. Application is straightforward: just mix the color cream and developer, apply to your hair, and rinse after the recommended time. For best results, follow the instructions carefully to achieve a perfect color match. Usability. The Revlon ColorSilk kit is designed to be easy to use for anyone, whether you're a beginner or an experienced colorist. The product comes with simple instructions, and the creamy formula is easy to apply without dripping. The texture of the color makes it smooth to spread, ensuring even coverage across your entire head of hair. The after color conditioner is a nice touch, as it helps maintain moisture and adds shine after the coloring process is complete. Durability. Revlon ColorSilk provides lasting color, with many users noting that their hair stays vibrant for several weeks. The silk amino complex ensures that the color doesn't fade quickly, and it keeps the hair looking glossy and healthy. The after color conditioner locks in the color and adds shine, further enhancing the long-lasting results. While the product is very durable, regular touch-ups may be necessary, depending on how quickly your roots grow or how often you shampoo your hair. Coming in at number 3 is the eSalon Color Kit. eSalon Color Kit takes home hair coloring to the next level by offering personalized hair dye formulas tailored to your unique needs. This premium service offers a more customized approach compared to drugstore hair colors. After filling out a color quiz, you receive a color kit specifically formulated for your hair, including the perfect shade and treatment for your hair type. eSalon is a great option for those who want a professional-grade color experience from the comfort of their home. Key features. eSalon Color Kit stands out due to its bespoke approach to hair coloring. The kit includes a personalized color formula, along with everything you need for a salon-like experience, including gloves, developer, color activator, and instructions. The product is designed to provide rich, long-lasting color with full gray coverage. The color is ammonia-free, and the formula includes nourishing ingredients like keratin and argan oil, which help to hydrate and protect the hair during the coloring process. Benefits and usage. The personalized formula from eSalon ensures that you get the exact color you desire. The kit is easy to use, and the color application process is straightforward. The results are impressive, vibrant, long-lasting color that enhances your natural beauty. The nourishing ingredients in the formula leave your hair feeling soft and moisturized, even after coloring. Whether you're touching up your roots or changing your color completely, eSalon offers a tailored experience that ensures a perfect result every time. Usability. eSalon Color Kit is incredibly easy to use, even for first-timers. Once you receive your customized kit, simply follow the detailed instructions provided. The formula is thick and creamy, which makes it easy to apply without drips. The included tools ensure that you can achieve even coverage from root to tip. Whether you're doing a full head color or just touch-ups, this kit allows for precise application and consistent results. Durability. One of the standout features of eSalon Color Kit is its long-lasting results. Users report that the color remains vibrant for several weeks without fading. The nourishing ingredients help to keep your hair feeling soft and hydrated, ensuring that it doesn't dry out during the coloring process. The product's durability means that you won't need to touch up your color frequently, making it a cost-effective solution for those looking for a long-lasting hair color. Taking our 4th spot is Clairol Natural Instincts. Clairol Natural Instincts is a semi-permanent hair color that's perfect for those looking for a more natural and gentle approach to coloring their hair. Free from ammonia, this formula uses a blend of antioxidants and coconut oil to nourish and protect your hair while providing rich, vibrant color. Natural Instincts is ideal for individuals who want to enhance their natural color or cover grays without the commitment of permanent hair dye. Key features. Clairol Natural Instincts uses a unique blend of coconut oil and antioxidants to deliver a nourishing, gentle color experience. The formula is ammonia-free, which helps to protect the hair and scalp during the coloring process. It provides a semi-permanent color that lasts for up to 28 shampoos, allowing for a more subtle, gradual fade. Available in a wide range of shades, it's suitable for all hair types and is perfect for those who want to add depth or cover gray without the long-term commitment. Benefits and usage. This product offers natural-looking color with the added benefit of nourishing ingredients that leave your hair feeling soft and healthy. It's a great option for people with sensitive scalps or those who want to avoid the harsh chemicals often found in permanent hair dyes. The application process is simple. Just apply to your hair, let it process for 10 to 20 minutes, and rinse. You'll enjoy vibrant color that enhances your natural beauty without causing damage. Usability: Clairol Natural Instincts is easy to use, even for beginners. The kit includes everything you need, from color to gloves, and the instructions are clear and simple to follow. The formula is easy to apply and spreads evenly throughout your hair. Because it's a semi-permanent color, it's perfect for those who want to experiment with color without a long-term commitment. Durability: as a semi-permanent color, Clairol Natural Instincts lasts for up to 28 shampoos. While it won't last as long as permanent dyes, it fades gradually, allowing you to switch colors or adjust your shade with ease. The color remains vibrant for several weeks, and the nourishing formula helps to maintain the health of your hair throughout the process. And finally, at number 5, we have L'Oréal Excellence Crème. L'Oréal Excellence Crème is a trusted, high-quality permanent hair dye that provides rich, long-lasting color and complete gray coverage. The formula is designed to protect your hair while delivering beautiful, vibrant color. This product features a triple protection system, which includes a pre-color treatment, color crème, and post-color conditioner, ensuring that your hair remains healthy and shiny throughout the coloring process. Key features: L'Oréal Excellence Crème is known for its comprehensive triple protection system. The pre-treatment helps to protect your hair before coloring, while the color crème delivers rich, long-lasting color. After coloring, the post-color conditioner locks in moisture and adds shine to the hair. This product is ammonia-free, making it less harsh on the hair while still delivering vibrant, salon-quality results. The product is available in a wide range of shades, from natural hues to bold, dramatic colors. Benefits and usage: the triple protection system ensures that your hair remains protected and nourished while the color takes effect. The formula provides full coverage, even for stubborn gray hairs. L'Oréal Excellence Crème offers professional-level color that is easy to apply and provides even, consistent results. The post-color conditioner helps to restore moisture and leave your hair feeling soft and shiny, while the color remains vibrant for weeks. Usability: L'Oréal Excellence Crème is simple to use, with clear instructions included in the kit. The pre-treatment step prepares your hair for the coloring process, ensuring that the color applies evenly. The creamy formula is easy to distribute through the hair, and the results are predictable and long-lasting. Whether you're doing a full color application or just touching up your roots, this product provides an easy and effective solution for at-home coloring. Durability: this permanent hair color is highly durable, with many users reporting that it lasts for up to 6 weeks without noticeable fading. The nourishing post-color conditioner helps to maintain the vibrancy of the color, and the triple protection system keeps the hair healthy and shiny. It's a great option for those who want a long-lasting, professional-grade color solution without visiting a salon. That wraps up our review of the best home hair color products available today. Whether you're after professional results or something more gentle, these 5 options have something for every need. Be sure to comment below with which product you're most excited to try, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty reviews. Check the description for links to each product and find your perfect match. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.